Hey guys, so today I have a quick kitchen hack to show you how to turn your jar grocery store pasta sauce into this thick, meaty, herby, hearty, full of flavor pasta sauce that tastes so close to homemade. Look at that. Look at it. So we're going to use a combination of fresh herbs and spices. We're using some fresh basil. We got some Italian seasoned garlic powder, onion powder, you know the works, bell peppers and onions. We're going to need 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground Italian sausage. We're going to give our vegetables a rough chop, get them into our pan and brown our meat down. Add in our dried herbs and spices. Go ahead and get your onion powder in there, get your garlic powder. And then we're going to cook this down until our meat is completely browned and our veggies are translucent. And we're going to go ahead and add in 1 can of whole plum peeled tomatoes because I like my sauce nice and hearty. All right, now let's go ahead and pour our sauce in. I am using 2 jars of sauce. Now, in order to get that extra sauce out, you're going to put a little bit of water or broth in, give it a good little shake. Y'all know the little trick. Go ahead and give your pan a good stir. Look at that. It looks ready already. It looks so good. Okay, we're going to turn our heat down to low, put our lid on for 15 minutes, take our lid off, put our fresh basil in. Go ahead and get your pasta ready at this point because guess what, guys? 15 more minutes, your sauce is done, looking thick, delicious, like you spent hours in the kitchen. It's so close to homemade, guys. Whoever you make this for would not even know. And that is it. Enjoy.